Unlock your e-commerce potential in Australia with Printify, the ultimate print-on-demand partner for local entrepreneurs. Ready to launch your own online store selling custom apparel, homeware, and accessories without the hassle of inventory? Let's dive into how Printify makes it incredibly simple for Australian businesses to succeed. First things first, head over to Printify.com. When you get to the Sign Up page, simply select Australia from the country drop-down menu. This ensures you get the most relevant information and shipping options for your local market. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to a vast catalog of high-quality products ready for your unique designs, from comfy cotton tees to stylish mugs and practical tote bags. There's something for every niche. Now for the fun part, designing your products. Click on a product you're interested in, then hit the design button. Upload your artwork, logos, or any graphics you want to feature. The intuitive design maker allows you to perfectly position and preview your creation on the product, ensuring it looks exactly how you envision it. Crucially for us Aussies, Printify partners with reliable print providers, many of which offer excellent shipping to Australia. You can easily check estimated shipping times and costs directly within the platform before you even start selling, so you can set clear expectations with your customers. After designing, it's time to get your products in front of customers. Printify seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Simply connect your chosen store, and your custom products will appear, ready for purchase. Here's the magic of print-on-demand. When a customer buys from your store, the order is automatically sent to Printify. They'll then print your design onto the product, package it with care, and ship it directly to your Australian customer. You don't lift a finger throughout the entire fulfillment process. So there you have it. Printify empowers Australian entrepreneurs to build thriving e-commerce businesses by offering a hassle-free way to create and sell custom products. Start your journey today and bring your creative ideas to life down under.